Lives of drug victims are seen as worthless. Reason behind their becoming of drug addicts get little or no importance. What gets more importance is that they are drug addicts and they are a ruined class of the society. However, some organizations are working to rehabilitate the drug victims. One such rehabilitation center is Apon in city's Mahmudpur area. Brother Ronald, the executive director of Apon, who came all the way from America to rehabilitate the drug victims, talked about the journey of Apon and his experience from working with drug victims.
Now, I've been working with drug addicts for over 22 years, since 1988. As long as I'm working with drug addicts, I will never refuse a drug addict help because he can't pay. Because he has a right to it. Less stigma about drug addiction. People, at least for male addicts, the family doesn't have to hide it so much. Often they're concerned about their prestige.
Brother Ronald thinks the masterminds and real culprits behind drug addiction are the drug dealers. He cannot entertain this very idea that these criminals move freely with impunity in the society, while the drug victims are seen as criminal and bad people.
Big people who do the big crime. The addict may steal something, little things and so forth, but people will beat him to death. But the big criminal, they'll go in and say salam, salam, salam.
The growing number of child drug victims also worries him very much.
This then means that street children drug addicts, no one is doing anything for street children drug addicts except Apon that I know of. Treatment, rehabilitation, But then they would go out with heavy medication. They didn't like the heavy medication, so they would stop the medication. Then they don't feel good.
But how the law enforcers are taking the issue of controlling this social pandemic? Shabak Thana officer in charge, Rezaul Karim, in an exclusive interview told us about various limitations including logistics and manpower to operate drive against drug. He also said that they are still trying very hard to control it. Today's drive in Geneva camp led by Deputy Police Commissioner of Tesgao Zone in one such example. And this drive will continue.
আগামী 26শে মার্চের পূর্বেই পুরো বিভাগে মাদক ছিনতাইকারী এবং চাঁদাবাজ যারা আছে তাদেরকে নির্মূল করার জন্য বিশেষ অভিযান পরিচালনা করছি তারই অংশ হিসেবে আমরা জেনেভা ক্যাম্পে এসেছি
Drug addiction is a social disease. True that coordinate government and non-government action are keys to fight this pandemic. But it is also very important to create awareness as how drug addiction acts as an agent of human devastation. Mirza Imon